Now we're going to create our first project. Let's start off by opening Premiere Pro. For the people who are for the first time, you would probably get an introduction. You can just follow along. For the ones who have already been using Premiere Pro, start off by clicking on New Project. Now we're going to name our project. In this case, I will call it Premiere Pro for Beginners. Next up is location. Click on Browser and search for the folder that we just created in Finder or in Explorer, called Premiere. Press Select Folder and you're all set. You can just leave the rest of the settings the way it is. Now you can press on OK.